We're Stanford Raagapella. We are Stanford University's South Asian Fusion a cappella group. Today we are at the Global Music Institute. We sing music from all kinds of backgrounds, from Indian classical to Western pop.
At GMI, we got a chance to perform a bunch of the songs that we've arranged over the last 1 year. And also got to interact with a lot of the students from GMI and sing with them and beatbox with them. Here it was really cool to perform to musicians who really understand the art and really appreciate little nuances in what we were doing.
We really enjoyed touring the GMI campus today. It was really fun getting to see what a true music school looks like. It was nice to see all the dedicated practice rooms and lecture halls. We also really liked the recording studio. It was super professional and we'd love to record in a space like that at GMI at some point. We're so thankful for how hospitable the group has been and how nice all the students have been.
The special bonus for the mushroom mutter.